I say pasa, chill like, let's go. Yeah. I say pasa, chill like, chill like, I say pasa, chill like, I say pasa, chill like, pasa, chill like, I say I say pasa, chill like, yeah, pasa, chill like, this is not a fairy tale. I already know how you like it. Take you to the morning, if you wanna wild it. I say pasa, like.
Hey, welcome back to another. Hey YouTube, welcome or welcome back to another vlog. I'm super excited. I'm finally leaving the country. We're going to Jamaica on Tuesday. Today is Saturday. I got my nails done. Finally, by Kim. Look how beautiful those nails are. Oh, yo, she did her thing. Looks so cute. Anyway, so we're going to a gala, and then tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. So today I'm just gonna do a ponytail. I did got my bundles from AliExpress. Tired of the braids, so I got me bundles. Hold on, let me get it. Here it is. I have 3 bundles. My friend told me to buy the same size, so I got all of them 30. But at the end it's always so thin, so she's gonna have to cut it. You know. I saw this girl that made a comment, made a review on the AliExpress, and I love how the hair looked on her. So I was like, oh, let me buy it because, it's supposed to look the same. Anyway, so I'm going to post a picture of her here so you guys can see. So I washed the conditioner. Yeah, clean and ready to go. Can't wait. See? I'm going to do like middle part, boom, out, down. So I can do like ponytail, half up, half down, and I can do maybe like the 2 things at the front with a little braid. What do you call it? The butterfly thingy. Anyways, we'll see. But I didn't want to do braids this time, so that's the reason why I got those. But yeah, 30-inch. I think I pay $150, maybe $98. Who knows? I'll put everything on the screen, and all the information will be on the description box. And if you're interested, I can get you one. Yeah. Yeah, smell good. Yeah, so anyways, we are not late, but we need to start get ready because I still need to do a ponytail. I was going to add a little extra thing, but yeah, we're not doing that. So I'm just gonna slick my hair, do a little bit of edges, and that's it. Oh yeah, and do my brows and all that stuff, all that little, you know, yep. That's it. I'm doing my eyebrows for vacation on Monday, literally the day before I leave because my brow lady, she's supposed to do my brows on Thursday, but she had an accident, so she had to go to ER. So anyway, Monday we'll get it done, and Tuesday we're ready to go. Keep watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye. Well, keep watching. See you later. We're going now. Yeah, so we're now way to the event. I wanted to wear a packed bag, but I can't find it because I pack everything. So whatever, get what you get. Show you guys my full fit when I get there.
Твези, панстыкли.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and I'm going to wash my hair. My friend is doing my hair at 12 and it is 11:20 right now. So I have, well, she lives 15 minutes away from me. So I'm going to wash my hair because it's dirty, full of gel from yesterday's event. And she's going to braid it. I don't know if you see my previous vlog, like my hair, I was doing the hair growth thing. And yeah, my hair is growing. But for some reason, my edges are still very like thin. But you know, we'll figure that out later. I'm going to use the purchased those on Sephora. And I'm going to use, I think this is shampoo. This one is the conditioner, and this is the leave-in conditioner. And because I'm gonna have the curly hair, I decided to also buy this thing here, the curl defining cream for my hair, you know, so it can blend in. Yeah. So, anyways, let's wash the hair. done by my friend. I just want to record a little bit of the process. Let's see. Looking crazy. You know? When you're doing your hair, you look like it's already on. You just record. That's all.
Do I turn it or?
No.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Turned all the way. I feel like such a handicap. I don't know how to use this, but it looks really pretty. Just
okay.
just take out my.
Guys, welcome back. Today is Monday and I'm leaving tomorrow. My friend did my hair yesterday, but yeah, I didn't. I'm supposed to add some water and leave-in conditioner, but I didn't do it because I'm not going anywhere specific. I'm just going to get my brows done, and I'm running a little bit late. I thought I had time, but anyways, I did my nails on Saturday, did my hair yesterday, and I'm doing my eyebrows today. I'm not doing any lashes because finally arrived and I am on time. It is 10:59 and my appointment is at 11 o'clock, so I'm gonna go inside, get my eyebrows just wax. She's going to wax and clean it up, you know, and that's it. Yeah, not doing lashes. Yeah, just that. Let's go inside. Yeah, oh my god, I think my line is not straight. Is it? Anyway, let's go inside, get my brows done. I'm leaving tomorrow. So excited. Look outside. This is nasty. Look. You see? Disgusting Canadian weather. Look. Look. Anyways, let's go back inside. Well, go back. Let's go inside and get my brows done. Keep watching. Eyebrow is done. Yes. Looks perfect. Anyways, I need to go back home because I'm still working. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Keep watching, guys. Good morning, guys. Finally the day. We're going to Jamaica. Yes. It is Tuesday and right now it is 6. It is 4:30 and we're supposed to leave our place at 5:30 and our flight is at 9. So we're trying to get everybody together, showered, dressed. Yes. So 5:30 we have to get out. So anyways, I'll show you guys what happened.
comfortable and on time.
Just press the button.
Bon matin, bienvenue à bord d'Air Canada. Pour votre sécurité et votre confort, veuillez ranger votre bagage de cabine.
My check 1 2 1 2. My check 1 2.
Et placez vos effets personnels aux articles portant un étiquette
We're
blanche.
finally on the
Vous
plane.
aidez à obtenir un vote sécuritaire,
Anyways, it
confortable et à
was
l'heure.
crazy getting here with 4 kids, 2 adults, and 8 luggages. So anyways, I just wanted to say, if you watched so far, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you on the next vlog, which is going to be in Jamaica. Thank you for watching, and don't forget again to like, share, subscribe, and hit notification bell. Bye guys.